95 yards on 6-inch long legs. I am Darth Wiener, and these are the 19th annual Buda Dachshund Races. Organized by the Buda Lions Club, the Dachshund Races celebrate almost 2 decades of fundraising success. Initially ridiculed by the club's committee, the Wiener Races are now the most anticipated date in Buda's calendar.
Yeah, it's just rain. Big drops, but it's rain. And you pick up your harness. Ticket number is 9025846. That is for a dog harness. Look at here comes the man.